Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a double unboxing by Italian fashion house Givenchy. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So this was not anything that was on my wish list. In fact, this was more a FOMO panic buy because these bags ended up being half price. And for Givenchy, that seldom happens. And I absolutely love the look of these. I had seen them before a few times and thought they were beautiful. So when they were half price, I just felt like I had to grab them and I wasn't sure which color I wanted. So I was like, I'm getting two of them and I'll make the decision later because I did not want them to sell out. Sure enough, right after I added these two to my cart and checked out, they were sold out. So I'm going to share with you these two Givenchy bags, and you can tell me what you think and which one I should keep and which one I should return. So I picked these up from Nordstrom and not sponsored in any way. None of my videos are. So here is the Givenchy dust bag. And well, I must say I'm a little underwhelmed by the packaging of these two designer bags. Oh, wow, this is not in the best shape and a little bit dirty. So these are the exact same bag, just two different colors and two different dust bags. Interesting. They must have not had another one in this size, so they just grabbed the next size up. This one's really wrinkly and looks like it's seen better days. Not sure what's the deal. Also Givenchy here. Looks like it is for a larger bag than what I picked up. But let's just not stress too much about the presentation and let's go for what's inside. So here we have, here we have the Givenchy hobo bag. This is the mini size and it's in the color ultra violet. Really pretty. So it has the silver hardware and looks like calf skin leather, the grained calfskin leather. Really pretty color. Wow, I really like the silver hardware. That's really, really pretty. And I love how it has the purple all the way around. Looks really pretty. Looks like some sort of like croc leather. Same with the top. There we have that. It doesn't have any sort of a closure. It's basically just like a little paperweight that just holds it closed, which is, you know, something different. And I think this look is very chic and elegant, really, really pretty. So this is the mini size, has the croc embossed leather all the way down the other side. So let's see the inside of this bag. A little surprised by the presentation of the packaging. Not exactly what I am used to seeing from Nordstrom, but that's okay. We all have good days and bad days. We won't hold it against them. I love Nordstrom for the most part. They always seem to do really great products. All right, so inside the bag, it does say Givenchy. At the bottom there's a little patch, and then just has this kind of really nice soft leather interior, kind of like a suede interior. It's really nice, really pretty. I will say this bag is smaller than I thought it was going to be. but it is beautiful. You can tell the leather is really great quality. So here is where my FOMO got the best of me. This bag is normally $1,650. I picked it up for $825. So now you know why I jumped on this at half price. It is beautiful. Now, the one thing I will say about this, the size. It is really small. And while I think it is gorgeous, I just wish it was a little bit bigger because I like to carry a little bit more with me on the daily. This is definitely a beautiful bag, but definitely a minimalist bag. Someone who, carries a few things with them. That's not really where I am in life right now with having children and running everywhere. And most of the days I'm grabbing large oversized bags, tote bags. But I do love the look of this. And for this price point, I figured I could at least keep one of these bags just to use for those days I do just run out to pick up a few things or only take a few things with me. I feel like this is the most beautiful color. Again, this is ultra violet. So pretty. Sorry about my voice. I'm fighting a cold. But this is absolutely beautiful. And like I said, for that price, I just had to grab it. It is so beautiful. I feel like this would be the perfect date night bag, evening out, going to the theater, and easily could use this as an everyday bag for just running errands or whatever. It's so cute. So the dimensions of this bag are 8.3 inches in width, 3.9 inches in height, and 3.9 inches deep. Really cute bag. So definitely a top carry, top handle bag. It's really cute. You could crick of the arm carry. It does fit nicely, just like that. So definitely could do that. I'm going to show you what fits right after we look at the next bag that I picked up. Hopefully you guys can help me out with deciding which one of these to keep. Oh my goodness. It's going to be hard. So this is the gorgeous classic black color. This one comes with the gold hardware. So pretty. Again, same thing. Kind of did a little bit of FOMO panic buying. This normally does retail for $1,650. And again, I picked this one up for $825. And okay, guys, I need a vote. Cast your votes down in the comments below. Which one should I keep? I will say this one looks a little bit squished. See that? It just seems like it's been a little squished. Probably will come out over time. Let's go ahead and take the stuffing out. There's really no compartments or pockets inside. It is just a large compartment. And it does have the Givenchy logo at the bottom of the bag, which is nice. Again, it just has the interior, which is the inside of the leather. It feels really soft and nice, good quality leather. Would expect nothing else from Givenchy. And these are beautiful. I really like them. The only thing I am concerned about is just the sizing, to be quite honest. I wish they were a little bit bigger because they're perfection. They're beautiful. If you love a mini bag, these are amazing. They're really pretty, really, really pretty. I was a little like, oh, I may not even keep either one of them. I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep at least one. And I may even talk myself into both, but I don't need both. So you guys help me make a decision. I feel like this one's a little bit more unique. I don't have this color, this ultraviolet purple shade, which is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, I have a few black bags in my collection, so probably don't need another black, even though it's classic and beautiful and goes with absolutely everything. but I really do like this ultraviolet purple shade. So what do you guys think? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just see what fits inside this little mini bag, because I am curious what is gonna fit inside. So, all right, again, let's just see. It looks like inside, just one large open compartment, again with the Givenchy right there. And let's see what fits. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my card holder in here. It's gonna fit nicely. My phone case fits really nice. So I'm gonna need my keys for anywhere I might go. That fits fine. Lip gloss and lipstick. Those fit fine. I'm gonna add my AirPods and my phone charger. Okay. We're doing okay. It's fitting all the things. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna add a perfume. I always need some sort of eye drops, especially this time of year with the allergies and my contacts. It's just a good idea. And of course, with all the colds and flu going around, here's another one for you. A little hand sanitizer. And I always have a powder just to touch up. Let's see if that's gonna work. That's a lot, actually. Okay. Okay. We made it all fit, all the things. Okay, I'm excited. And I'm absolutely leaning towards this gorgeous ultraviolet purple. All right, guys, help me out. What do I do? Which one do I keep? Which one do I not need? Help me make wise choices with which one I need to keep and which one I need to send back. I don't need both. I know that. Like I said, I somewhat panic bought these because I didn't want them to sell out before I made a decision. And sometimes it takes a little bit for me to make that choice. So I'm leaning towards the purple. I think I love this. And I love how much fits in there. I'm surprised. I was worried I wouldn't be able to use this because it was so small, but it's not too small. This is gorgeous. I'm really excited about this bag now. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think of these adorable Givenchy hobo bags. These are in the size mini. I do have the large size. I would love it if they would come out with like a medium in between the shoulder hobo bag and this mini, but I'm pretty much in love with this one now. Now that I saw that everything fits, I love how it looks when it's full. It looks very like plush and luxurious. And I feel like the color kind of just adds to that luxurious, beautiful vibe. This is so good. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Don't forget to help me out in the comments down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and like it, and I would love it if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.